Hello, good evening, dear friends. Spirit wants you to remember to practice self love and to remember you don't need anyone else's approval. You're gaining the inner strength and stability over your life, and you're overcoming a lot of problems. You are taking charge of situations that come your way, but Spirit says it's time now for you to take time out and find out more information about whatever it is you're dealing with. They say lots of little steps make big dreams come true. You are speaking with your angels, and you gain deep and sorting things out. That's how you're gaining strength. They're helping you find endings to things that don't serve you, and you've been successful. You're stable and accomplished, and you're a powerful soul. A chain of events are going to affect your life, and your plans are going to work out very well. Your professional and financial situation is going to be successful, and they say you are using your resources wisely. There is a situation that you have to swim away from, and they want you to know you never needed those wings to fly. You are waiting for news or a letter or a package or something, and Spirit says, let go of the waiting, let go of anxiety, calm your nerves, and you'll be able to hear the voice of your angels. You deserve sugar, not salt, and they want you to come home to yourself and trust your higher power, which is your truth. Get excited about the future. You ready, they say. It's time for you to embrace the in betweens, and there are opportunities waiting for you. Where there was fear, worries, and tense situations, you've successfully overcome these situations, and it's time for you to embrace your inner child. Rekindle your relationships, especially with your children. And something is coming your way very soon, which is going to give you unexpected joy. Have a lovely evening, everybody. I love you all.